The Samsonite Evolve Se Hardside is an understated, hard-wearing piece of luggage that is more practical than it is fashionable. The medium checked case measures 27 by 16.5 by 11.5 inches and is large enough to pack a week's worth of clothes. It's a fairly light case, weighing 8.7 pounds. This hardside case is made from durable polycarbonate and ABS and has a ribbed texture to prevent scratches and to help with grip when handling the case. There's an integrated TSA combination lock on the exterior of the case to secure the main compartment. For when you need that little bit extra packing space, this case expands by an inch using the dedicated zipper pull. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. There are top and side handles on the exterior of the case that are useful for grabbing it from the baggage carousel. These handles retract back into place when not in use to maintain a streamlined profile. You can adjust the telescopic handle to two heights using the push button. The telescopic handle isn't the smoothest, but it easily retracts back down again without the mechanism getting stuck. The four double spinner wheels roll smoothly and quietly, and manoeuvre well when changing direction abruptly. This case opens like a clamshell with two large packing areas. Both sides have zippered mesh dividers, so your clothing will stay in place when opening up the case. There are no smaller compartments or pockets, so you might want to use packing cubes to stay organised. The interior lining has a cheap and crispy feel to it, which is disappointing. The double zippers are smooth running and have easy grip zipper pulls. This case has the luggage feet for keeping the side of the case raised off the floor and balanced when setting it down. Overall, the Samsonite Evolve Se Hardside isn't going to win any awards for its aesthetics, but if you've got a lot to pack, then its box shape and large interior compartments maximise the space available. The Samsonite Evolve Se Hardside collection also includes a carry-on and large checked bag.